We want to make something happen overnight. We want to fix things too quickly, but we don't realize the current problem we are facing. Namaste everyone, I am Chandresh Bhardwaj, and today I'll be sharing when does spirituality become an escape? Number one thing to understand here is spirituality at this point is one of the most escaping outlet. It's one of the most growing problem of avoidance. People are using spirituality to avoid the current moment, the current problem they're dealing with. And this is happening because we are wired to not go deeper into our problems. We are wired to not go deeper into what we are dealing with on a day-to-day basis, and we want shortcuts. We want quick escapes where we can numb down our emotion. And the market senses this. It understands what you need, and it starts to create products which promises enlightenment over a weekend, which promises awakening during a retreat. And it sounds great to your mind that I can finally escape all my problems and become enlightened over a workshop or a training, and then I'm done. But this is not how spirituality really works. It's not the most joyful, cozy experience. It becomes really challenging to our comfort zone. In fact, in the Eastern traditions, we define meditation as the death of mind, because all the old belief systems, all the learnings have to be deleted. You have to unlearn how you were taught to suffer. Escapism is not part of it. Blind faith is not part of it. And the reason it's becoming an escape for so many of us, it's because we want to rush to make something happen quickly. We want to make something happen overnight. We want to fix things too quickly, but we don't realize the current problem we are facing didn't just happen, yesterday. It's a result of your entire lineage, your family conditioning, cultural conditioning. And you have to go deeper into your womb, into, even before you were conceived, to really fix something like this, or even to understand something like this. It takes time. And any goal you set in a spiritual path, it becomes the biggest barrier. Even the goal of becoming enlightened is the biggest barrier in this path. What I'm inviting you in right now is indulgence in spirituality with absolute awareness, preparation to deal with all the shocks, plot twists that can happen, trusting the unknown, becoming comfortable with uncertainty, and above all, having this clear idea and acceptance that this path may not look like as I was expecting. There's a word we use nowadays a lot, that I'm a seeker, I'm seeking. But everyone has defined what seeking means. If you have already defined what you are seeking, it's not seeking. It's still hanging out within the comfort zone of your mind. It's just getting out of the old bubble and creating a bigger one. And the bigger one, the newer one, is even more scary because you may not get out of it ever, because there are many voices around you telling you that this is your home. The new bubble is safe, it's cozy, but it's not. Embrace the uncertainty. Be ready to jump into the spiritual path with all the discomfort, because the right spiritual experience may be uncomfortable, but it's the relevant one. The friendships may change, the relationships may change, your career may change, your entire personality, your appearance will start to go through a change. It is a rebirth. It's redefining everything in a newer way. It's unlearning everything that was limiting you and stopping you. And if you ever feel you are indulging in a spiritual experience which is not making you spiritually independent, step back, look within, and ask yourself why I'm still not feeling courageous, independent, more intuitive, more playful, more joyful, and start to redefine how you relate to your current spiritual path. To go deeper in these concepts, I invite you to visit leelagurukul.com, That's where we share a lot of Eastern wisdom traditions directly from the gurus and masters to you. And my true hope is it will make you feel more brave, independent, and it will give you the right, authentic direction you're looking for. And as always, do support the channel by subscribing and sharing the video. Thank you.